Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you a method that I didn't discover this myself, but I knew existed. I knew you can try this method as well. But I'm still gonna show you. Also, this person on Reddit, that person shared that is actually this work from him. The method actually I shared with you on YouTube as well. So yeah, that's why I decided to create another part of solving this problem, Forza Horizon 5 crashing. So as I told you before, so just make sure you run the game as an administrator, okay? So just go to properties and then compatibility and just run this program as an administrator. You have to check this, click on apply and okay. And this problem worked for him, and I hope you guys is gonna work for you as well. I just decided to create a different another part for this tutorial. Maybe it's gonna help you so you can enjoy the game and have fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.